Hi, Tita Erna. Happy 70th birthday.
Hope you have a great party and a great day. Bye.
Good evening, everyone. Happy birthday, my dear sister. Enjoy your birthday and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.
To my sister Erna, happy 70th birthday. And I wish ko lang mag-enjoy ka sa life mo, lagi ka lumalabas, kasama si Kuya Moises at si Ate Ting. So anyways, enjoy your birthday and happy 70th birthday, sister. I love you. Bye for now. See you next year. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Aterna! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday!
Are you 20? Are you 40? Are you 60? Are you 70?
Happy birthday to Erna! All the best! Wish all the best!
Okay.
Good health and God bless! Happy birthday!
Yeah, bye.
Hi, Sister Erna. Happy birthday from your two sisters in Canada. Happy birthday, sister. 70th birthday. Enjoy sa birthday mo. Hindi na kami nakagto kay Rayo. Enjoy good. Okay? Happy birthday.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, my friend. Wish ko sa imo, damo pagid nga birthday. Mayad lang nga lawas. Kag kadto na di para sa kita square table ano naman na okay, enjoy your special day and halong always, love you. Okay,
Hi everyone, good evening. Hello my beautiful cousin. Today is your big day. Like a queen, sit back, relax, and enjoy the party. Happy 70th birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Happiness and good health. Once again, happy birthday from all of us, Acosta Plantig family. See you soon.
Sinablog Lola. Happy birthday, Mama Erna. Wish you all the best in life, good health, and full of love, full of hope, and full of peace. Eh? Blow Lola kiss na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Welcome to the 70s and I hope you have a great party. Love you and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mama Erna!
I hope you have a nice 70th birthday and best wishes for many more to come. What do you got to say, Jack?
I don't know.
You need to tell Mama Erna.
You said happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Mama Erma,
Mama Erna.
and long life.
Long life.
Happy birthday, Laura Erna. I hope you have a nice birthday.
Bonjour. Ça va bien? Good evening, everyone, especially to the star of the night, Mama Erna. It was on the month of May of 1995 when I first met her sa Ila Changi sa San Antonio, Oton. And during that time, I can sense the pureness, the kindness, and the goodness of her heart. Given na iya nga kaanyag kagkataho. Pero ang iba na siguro mahambal nga goodness kag kindness man. Nagabara ko iya baba ko mga aki. But if you deepen your understanding, the words that are coming from her mouth are words of wisdom, words of love and care, especially when she's dealing with her children, grandchildren, and loved ones. Isa na ko gani, isa lang ka umalagi nga nangin tupad balay niya, nakambit man sa iya kaaluan kag kaayo. Kaya kung kisa akong aga, kasinggita na siya sa akong, Tunyo, kapamahaw ka na. May bago luto sudan di si Maoy. Abi dawata, idol ko sa pader. A simple gesture of kindness. but it will remain in my heart forever. You're so lucky, Mama, because you have your children around you. You have Linog, you have Bidyo, Maoy, and Dayan, who are there to take care of you and to love you. Kagang imo unika iha, nga ulay pa nga dalaga, nga diri sa Canada, nagahimakas makatipon kwarta para sa inyo nga iya pinalangga ipadala. You're so blessed, and I salute you for having such a good, wonderful, and generous son/daughter. Mama, this is your night. Enjoy, and always remember you have friends and family who will always love you. And with all my love and respect, I wish and pray for your good health, abundant blessings, and genuine happiness. Happy birthday.